try to get out of the comfort zone and think outside the box. There are so many problems in the society, and try to solve it and try to incorporate your passion and of course the solution into making profit.
Anong year kayo ito nagsimula?
2023 po.
2023. Noong ba nagsisimula ka, may mga challenges ka bang pinagdaanan? And paano mo ito nalagpasan?
Yes, nariyan yung, of course, kailangan ko ng katulong na technician. Tapos, na-scam ako in the first time. Only to find out na talagang hindi siya totoo kasi I was making online transaction just to expedite the process. And then, of course, nandyan yung na-reject tayo nung nabuo na yung unit at gusto kong i-market sa isang vendo vlogger. Kaso na-reject niya, sabi niya hindi niya gusto yung idea. So, those are the rejections. And later on, I just used my skills on marketing kasi may background din po ako sa media arts. So, yun na, pinost ko online and it went viral after 24 hours. It reached millions of views na po.
Ayun.
Paano mo gustong maalala itong Harold Burgos brand bilang isang negosyante, estudyante o inspirasyon?
Of course, I want to be a motivation and inspiration to everyone, especially young men like me na instead of going out, pagbabar, why not spend the night thinking of the problem of the society and try to incorporate your passion and of course the solution into making profit. Iwasan na natin yung mediocrity or yung very common na mga ideas. Try to get out of the comfort zone and think outside the box. There are so many problems in the society and try to solve it. Try mong pagkakitaan yung solusyon na yon. And that's what I'm making right now. Problema sa amoy ng helmet, sa baho, and then we solve it and then we make money from it.
How do you keep your feet on the ground? How do you stay like a humble person? Ang layo-layo na ng narating mo.
When you think about the most superior one, which is God, doon mo maiisip na walang-wala yung ginagawa ko, walang-wala yung narating ko. Doon sa kayang gawin ng Diyos, diba? Kaya niyang bawiin yan in a snap. So, you have to humble yourself. Ako, I always pray every night. So, that keeps me humble and that keeps me grounded. Of course, I have people also in my side that humbled me. Siyempre, may mga mas magagaling sa akin na talagang dapat ina-acknowledge mo. And you don't always think of yourself talaga.